What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the AC belt and tensioner. I got a 2005 Silverado, I got the crew cab, V8 5.3 liter. And the AC belt is not this main one right here, but the one that you can see right there in the back. And then I'll also be replacing the tensioner with it. And it is that piece right there. So the first thing that we're gonna do is just get this main belt removed so that it's out of our way. And to do that, I just got a 15mm socket and wrench, and we're gonna go over to this guy right here. So we're just gonna push down on this to turn it to the right, and then that will give us some slack right here. And then we can just slide that right off. And that should leave this belt free. So we can just set that to the side. All right, and then once we got the main belt taken off, I'm just gonna come down here and take off this plastic shield piece just so we can get a better look at it from down below. And these bolts will also be 15mm, and there is 2 of them that are down here and 2 up top. All right, now that we got that removed, what we're gonna do is just loosen the tension on that belt and then remove that belt, and then after we get the belt off, then we will take off the tensioner. But the tensioner is right here, and that little square right there is just a 3/8 inch square, so you just got to use one of your ratchets that's a 3/8, and then you will need to put a little extension on it. I'm not sure where my shorter extension is, so I'm just going to use this one for now. And then when we get on there, we're just going to turn it to the right, and then it's going to bend down. And then once it's turned down, we just want to slip it off. All right, just like that. And then now we can just fish this one out of here and around past this bigger one. All right, so now we got that one out. As you can see, it's all cracked up in there, and I just wanted to get mine replaced before summer comes so I wouldn't have to do it in the middle of summer in Arizona. But now that we got the belt off, we can just take off the tensioner. If you're replacing your tensioner, if not, then you'll put the belt on pretty much the same way you took it off. But I'm gonna quickly replace my tensioner just since I'm doing the belt also. And once again, we got some 15mm bolts on there. We just got one right there, and the other one is just right on the other side right there. And then we're just gonna quickly take those bolts out. All right, so there is the old one. Rattling it might feel a little bit loose and wiggly, so maybe it's a good thing I'm replacing it, because the new one doesn't rattle. So, and then now we're just gonna get the new one put in, and the way that was in there, you just got to make sure that this is facing out, so it'll go back in just like this, and then this is facing out, and then the wheel is up. So just go ahead and get that screwed back in there. All right, so as you can see, we got that one all tightened up on there. And then now we're just gonna get the new belt put on. So we'll get this opened up, and then we're just gonna put it on kind of just opposite of how we took it off. We're just gonna get it wrapped around. It'll go on the second one back on this big wheel, and then so we'll just get it wrapped around that, and then we'll get it wrapped around that, and then we'll just have it hopefully just like right here, and then it will be kind of bent around this piece. And then we're just gonna wanna get our 3/8 inch ratchet and just twist that thing down and then get it up on top. It might be easier to have the belt on the inside so that when you put your ratchet on there, the belt's not in the way, and then you're able to just pull that down and then get the belt put on that wheel on the tensioner pulley without having it get in the way. So let's just see how it goes. Get it around this back one, and then it should just slip in there real nice. If it's in the grooves properly, it should just go in there nice and flat. And you should be able to tell that it's in the grooves where it needs to be. So now we got it on top of the black one. And now over here, see it's not in the grooves. So I'm just gonna loosen it a little bit again. All right, I think I got in there, but now I'm just gonna go on top real quick and just check. So it does look like it lines up in these grooves over here pretty well. And then also it looks like it lines up on these grooves pretty well. So I think we should be pretty good right there. I'm just gonna double check it and just try and make sure that it's all good right there. And as long as that's good, all we gotta do is just get our main belt put back on and she'll be good to go. All right, so I checked it as best I could and I think we're good to go. So now I'm just gonna get my main belt put back on. And you should be able to just check right here to see what the pattern is for that. And I think the easiest way to do it is to just get it all wrapped around and then just have your slack right here. And then to just pull up on the tensioner and just slip it under. So we'll see if we can get that back on. All right, so what I meant was to get the tensioner, to get that on, and then to put it on this piece last, just because then it allows you to just slip it over and then you're not facing a lip. Get it slipped around that one, and then we just want to double check like on the other one and make sure that everything is in the right grooves. So that is the way my belt goes. Just comes under this, over that, around that, under that, and then over this right here, which is the tensioner. And then now what we want to do is just get it fired up and just make sure that everything's running fine. All right, so everything seems to be running pretty good. Now just don't forget to put your plastic skid plate back up. Feel free to leave me any questions down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if any of you guys have any tips on how to do this easier or better, I'd love to hear those down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and good luck to you.